In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page border in your Google document. So adding a page border is a great way to make your page stand out, and it's actually very simple to do. So all you need to do is head over to Insert in the top navigation, come down to Drawing, and then select New. Next to this line tool, you'll see an option for shape. Click on this, come down to shapes, and then click on the rectangle. Now from here, you just want to draw something that looks similar to your page. It doesn't matter too much the size of this, as we're going to be adjusting it in a second. Then click on the fill tool and make sure to select transparent. Click on the border color tool, and then from here you can select the color of your border. I'm going to pick a red one for mine, and you can also adjust the border weight to either make it thicker or thinner. So once you're happy with your border, you're just going to click on it, save and close. So what you need to do now is select your image and then click on image options. Click on text wrapping and then select in front of text. Then come over to this drop down where it says move with text, and you want to change this to fixed position on page. Now we've done this, we can adjust the border to the top of the screen like so, and then you can just resize it to fit the dimensions of your page. When it gets to a certain point, you may need to stretch it at the bottom down here. And then just like that, we've now added a border to our Google document. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.